Welcome to the LiveBench evaluation of Infineon AIROC CYW43022. This board from Infineon is a highly efficient single-chip device that combines Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.4. It operates on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands with Wi-Fi 5. Click Plug In to get connected to the real hardware and start with the evaluation. The lab setup includes AIROC CYW43022, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth combo chip evaluation kit for testing and development. A power profiler is connected to measure the battery current consumption in real time. The first step of the evaluation is to configure the power profiler. Detailed information is provided in this pane on how to go about with the process. Once the power profiler is configured, click on the Start button to begin the monitoring. The LiveBench allows evaluation of 3 modes of operation: station mode, sleep mode, and deep sleep mode. The evaluation needs to be performed in the same sequence to observe an orderly transition from one mode to another. In the station mode, click on Initialize to start the process. In this mode, the SoC functions as a client device in a wireless network. It connects to a wireless access point to communicate with other devices in the network. The command line interface window gives a live response from the board on the state of the device as the evaluation is being performed. This CLI window is also interactive, allowing a set of commands to be executed and observe the response. Click here to perform a ping test after a successful initialization. Observe the power profiler response and the output in the CLI window when this test is being executed. In sleep mode, most of the device functions are shut down, minimizing active power usage. Configure this mode and observe the output in the power profile window as well as the CLI output. In deep sleep mode, the device enters an ultra-low power state to conserve energy when idle or in standby mode, extending battery life and reducing power consumption. Configure this mode and observe the output in the power profile window as well as the CLI output. The Knowledge Assistant is an AI-powered bot to get you information about the board, specifications, capabilities, etc. Here is an example. The Progress Log window provides information and logging on all LiveBench activities. A live camera feed of the evaluation board is streamed to the user. The Assist Me feature provides additional information about the evaluation flow. To disconnect from the LiveBench after finishing the evaluation, click this link. The user manual and other additional information can be accessed from the hamburger icon here. You can also choose to evaluate other interesting LiveBench designs by clicking on the Home button here. Thank you and happy evaluation.